If your regular sandwiches aren't quite cutting it for lunch, give my M&S Ibérico ham on roasted red pepper sourdough a try. Halve 2 red peppers and put them cut side down on a baking tray. Give them a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt. Then whack them under the grill. When the skins are blistered and blackened, tip them into a heat-proof bowl. Cover it with cling film and leave them to steam. Slice an M&S sourdough baguette, then brush both sides of each slice with M&S garlic-infused extra virgin olive oil. Lay the slices on a tray and grill them on each side until they're lightly toasted. Remove the skins, then slice the peppers into thin strips. Add them to a bowl with quartered Capella vine tomatoes, halved M&S olives, sherry vinegar, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Season and mix well. Add a layer of rocket leaves to each piece of toast and spoon the tomato mixture on the top. Finally, lay a slice of your M&S Ibérico ham on each one and get stuck in. It's the taste of Spanish summer from your British kitchen. I've got loads more recipes using the produce from M&S farms that I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.